Got some water on that slide over there. It's RV life when you have slide toppers, I guess. Hope none of that comes inside with a slide topper. So we are heading out on adventure today.
We are.
I think it might have came inside. He just put it back out.
Maybe.
Who knew?
We digress.
Where are we heading?
We enjoy the North Georgia mountain area, so we're just gonna go explore it on the bike today.
So we're doing a little bike ride day. Should be interesting. Sheila has not given me the destination, but that's par for the course.
I think that there's a ride called, I just forgot his step. Must be, anyway. There's a ride out here called Ride the Wolf, I think. So we're gonna go see the wolf.
Okay. I guess we'll roll the intro and go see a wolf.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it Walk, come walk with me. Feel the breeze, come walk with me.
I guess we've made it to Two Wheels in, is it 𝐁𝐤𝐴𝐺𝐻? I don't know. Sheila found this place. So, grab something to eat.
Yeah, and if you're traveling through here in Motorcycle, they also have like cabins and camping and lodging for the night where you can just kind of rest before you continue on the ride.
Okay. I needed a rest. That was like an hour and 10 minutes.
Yep. So you probably need some food.
Yeah.
With life, it gets you down, steals your crown, and breaks your will. Oh, well, I'll pick you up, brush off the dust, and hold you still. I will tell you when you're older how I loved you just the same. It only matters where we're going.
Okay, so I looked at the place there, Two Wheels of either 𝗁𝐤𝐴𝐺𝐻 or 𝗁𝐿, and I thought, oh, that'd be a good place to stop. Well, they're closed. They're only open on the weekend. So, my bad. But it looked like a great place. We just stopped and took a break anyway. And so I've always wanted to check out Helen, little town just to the east, little Bavarian town. So we decided to tootle over here to find something to eat. It's a cute town. And here comes Todd. He paid for our parking, and then we can go get some food. Ready?
Parking pass.
You think there's some German brats up here in this little town?
I don't know. That's a great question.
Well, I know how much you love sauerkraut.
Ugh, that's disgusting.
Yeah, but that's a beautiful ride.
It is.
Lot to see.
It's like we're stepping back in time.
I feel we're like another country.
Oh, Germany and Georgia. It's weird.
It's even a cobblestone street.
It is a cobblestone street. Okay.
Something to eat.
Oktoberfest. They got some schnitzel.
And some streusel and some other worse something. Bratwurst, knockwurst, and rauer. Oh my goodness, there's so many.
1980.
I know, I won't post it. It was behind. I never just post. I always go back.
Wow.
Apparently you can buy them already engraved.
Look at that.
Apparently do we need to lock our love in? Is that what this is? You lock your love in? I wonder how many of these locks that the love has been locked in.
Nobody came. They didn't come back.
Nobody came back and
they didn't come back and get their lock off.
because they're on both sides. Like, look. We elected not to do German food.
Oh, what do you have? Bacon, chicken?
I have a bacon buffalo chicken thing.
I have roast beef.
Oh, roast beef on a croissant. You feel like a troll under the bridge?
You know what they need to do is put that big, what town is it that there's that big wooden troll under the bridge?
Under your floodplain. You can go squatching anywhere, even in Helen. See? Do not call him on Biggie. We didn't know. He has a name. He has Biggie. Can you name that tune?
No. I must say, I've never heard it before. Can't tell. Look at all the Christmas lights, though. I bet it's very pretty.
Yeah, this is supposed to be one of the places you come to see the Christmas lights, and they're very well known for their Oktoberfest.
But you were going to tell them something about the other side of the story.
The secret side of Helen, Georgia. They're set up for the October Beer Fest in the Steins. Sheila doesn't drink beer and neither do I, so we've generally never done a Oktoberfest with a big Stein. I think I should just have a picture with one. That'd be fun.
You know what?
Yeah.
They do that at Epcot World and around the world in Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could go around the world in Epcot. Definitely could do that. Yeah, the Brazen Prince drank around the world. That was a heck of a video. Yeah, you should see that. We got plenty of parking. It's $10 to park for the day, but it's got a lot of touristy things. You can go wonderful, like rafting on a tube down the creek that goes all the way through the town.
It's a river.
What's kind of a creek? The water's down.
I don't know that that's where you go. I think that it's on the
Nope. It's right there. It's right there through the town.
Are you sure?
Yep. I just looked. I looked it up.
Don't fall over.
Okay. Let's tell you something about Helen that you probably didn't know.
I didn't know.
It's all made up. It's a brilliant marketing ploy. 1969. If you go back, they were struggling. They were a town that was doing some logging. Things weren't going their way.
What's with the accent? I'm just curious.
I don't have an accent.
Yes, you do.
I have an accent.
Just talk to them like a normal human.
I was. Anyway,
Back to the logging town.
logging was just a bad business. So the townspeople came up with an idea. They said, let's rebrand. They decided to become a Bavarian Alp village in Georgia, in the Appalachian Mountains. And with the help of some artists that actually went over there, they concocted this wonderful plan to turn their whole town into a Bavarian village.
Well, how long did it take them?
I don't know how long it took them, but it was
How much did it cost?
It was in 1977. Is kind of like when they really kind of took root. So this isn't even that old. So you got to give them credit. Like, they've turned their whole town into a touristy attraction with Oktoberfest and lights and all that stuff.
Yeah, you said it's like a town of 500?
Yeah, 500 on average. I don't know how many thousands come through it a year, but it is pretty cool to see.
Well, and it's a beautiful part of the country, so it was fun to stop
motorcycle
by.
rides are fabulous through here too.
Yeah.
Speaking of that, we're off. We're heading back.
Back on the donkey.
See what we can find along the way. You gotta admit, if you're gonna go ahead and do a Bavarian village, you need a windmill.
Dude, look at that.
The food was good. There's lots of restaurants. There's lots of restaurants.
From where you came, it never mattered from where you came.
You know, we're always on the hunt for some fun experiences. On the way over, I noticed something really strange. And it's like, it looks abandoned, but we don't know. It's called Loudsville Campground. It says camp meeting July 19th to the 25th. So, but it feels like it's abandoned.
It belongs to that church
It belongs to the church?
across the street. I think so.
But look at this. This is the kind of stuff gets me excited, because someday Switched Up is going to have something really unique and different. But check this out. It's like all of these are like individual houses. Oh, they have pews in the center. And then over here, isn't this crazy? It almost feels like a movie set. You know, like a zombie apocalypse type movie set. It's very odd. You don't think they really only have it one time a year, like for 1 week, they use this. There ain't nothing here. Here they have all these pews set up. Maybe they do like an old revival during that week. Look at this. This is fun. Sheila, what'd you find out? Oh boy. She found out something. Fun fact. We're gonna do a fun fact. Isn't this price? It's like a zombie apocalypse movie set.
Because they only meet once a year. Every year since 1838, families have been coming here 1 week out of the year in July for a time of fun and fellowship and worship and revival. So they have an old-fashioned tent revival once a year here.
Well, why would you not do more
Well,
like throughout the course of a year?
I mean, so all these individual buildings are just where the families stay once a year and gather together. That's it, July, 1 week.
What? Okay. That is a fun fact. Kind of odd. But it's a fun one. Is it the same time every year or they change it?
Well, it looks like it's like the same.
So it's Loudsville United Methodist Church. Wouldn't you like to see what this place is like that one week?
That would be fun.
Okay. On with the show.
Have a show?
Sometimes.